Hey guys, welcome to YYC Garage. Today we're doing an oil change on the 1999 Subaru Forester. I'm going to show you how it's done and all what you're going to need. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need oil. Okay, so you need 5W30 synthetic oil. Then you need an oil filter. The oil filter number for this car, if you go with the Fram Ultra Synthetic, is XG3593A. So once you get all that prepared, there is a skid plate that we need to remove. Then we're gonna start draining the oil. So let's get started. Alright, so in order to remove your skid plate, on my car you're gonna need a 12mm socket. And there's only a few bolts that we'll be removing. Alright, so once you remove the skid plate, I just pushed it to the side here, as you can see, so I don't have to remove it all. You gotta remove your oil pan. It's a 17-inch socket, so let's get removing that. So you want to let that drain. So I usually leave it to drip for a while, just to make sure you get most of it out. And then you're gonna start doing the oil filter. Once you think it's pretty much all drained, you want to put the plug back on. Make sure you be careful how you tighten it. You don't want to over tighten it and strip, because then it's gonna cost you a lot of money to fix it. Okay, so that part is done, and now we're gonna do the oil filter. The oil filter can get messy. It's good to use this tool. Okay, so that's for removing it. Okay, so with the new oil filter, you want to put some oil on the top here, just to make sure the seals are working and everything. Okay, and just you're gonna do hand tight, just so it's easier to get off and you don't want it seizing on. So once this is all done, you want to put your skid plate back into place, and then we're gonna start filling up with. So when it comes down to the oil, it says for the automatic it takes 4.4, so that's exactly the full jug of the oil here. So we'll start filling it up, and then we'll see where we at. We'll be checking with the dipstick. Hey guys, so just like I said, it took the whole jug of oil, 4.4 liters. The oil change is done. That's good for, you know, at least 5,000 K. It's a synthetic oil, so we'll run probably longer than that, but I like to make sure, you know, everything runs smooth and properly. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and till the next time.